Okay, we got question number 4. Three functions f, g and h are defined as f of x is equal to 2x negative 1, g of x is equal to 3x positive 2, h of x is 5 raised to the power of x. Now question A wants us to find the value of f of 1 over 2. Okay, now this is a solution. Given f of x is equal to 2x negative 1, so f of 1 over 2 is equal to 2 times of 1 over 2 negative 1. 2 gets cancelled, so you get 1 negative 1 is equal to 0. So this means f of 1 over 2 is equal to 0. So that's the solution. Now the next question wants us to find g squared of negative 3. Now this is nothing but g of negative 3. Okay, now since g of x is 3x positive 2, therefore g of negative 3 is going to be 3 of negative 3 positive 2, which is negative 9 positive 2, which is negative 7. So we have got g of negative 3. So this means g squared of negative 3, which is g of negative 3, which is going to be g of negative 3 is negative 7. So this is equal to 3 times of negative 7 positive 2, which is negative 21 positive 2, which is going to be negative 19. Okay, so therefore g squared of negative 3 is negative 19. So the next one is they are asking us to find gfx. Right, now this is nothing but g of f of x, which is nothing but g of f of x is 2x negative 1, 2x negative 1, and g of x is 3x positive 2. So 3 of 2x negative 1 positive 2 is equal to 3 times 2 is 6x, negative 3 positive 2 is equal to 6x negative 1. So this is g of f of x. So the next question wants us to find g inverse of x. Okay, now g of x is 3x positive 2. So this means y is equal to 3x positive 2. So what are we going to do is replace y by x and x by y. So if I were to take this as sum 2, so therefore 2 can be rewritten as, in place of y you replace it with x, in place of x you replace it with y, and then you rewrite the system for y. So this would mean x negative 2 is equal to 2y, you divide by 2 both sides. This is going to give you y is equal to x negative 2 divided by 2, which means g inverse of x is equal to x negative 2 divided by 2. So that's a solution for this question. Now we are asked to find g inverse of x. Now g of x is 3x positive 2. So I'm going to write it as y is equal to 3x positive 2. So to get the inverse, you replace y by x and x by y. So if I were to take this as 2, therefore 2 can be rewritten as x is equal to 3 times of y positive 2, and then you rewrite it for y. So this is going to be x negative 2 is equal to 3 times y, and you divide by 3. So this is going to be 3 gets cancelled, so y is equal to x negative 2 divided by 3, which means that g inverse of x is equal to x negative 2 divided by 3. This is what you've got. So that is the inverse for this function. So the next question is hence determine the value of x if G inverse of x is equal to 4. So I'm going to take this as 3. So since the G inverse of x is equal to 4, this means 3 can be written as, so 4 is equal to x negative 2 divided by 3. You cross multiply, you get x negative 2 is equal to 4 times 3, which means x negative 2 is equal to 12. Move this to the other side, you get x is equal to 12 positive 2, which means x is equal to 14. So that's the solution for this question.